Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A94, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now this will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know. Now looks like I don't have any screen lock set, so I'm gonna quickly do that right now. So there we go. Now I do have a pattern set, and even though I know what it is, I'll progress from the lock screen as though I wouldn't know. So to get started, you will want to hold your power key and slide down to power off. And once the device turns off, hold power key and volume down at the same time. Once OPPO logo shows up, let go of the power key but keep holding volume down. Now, next thing you will see is the language selection right here, so choose your desired language by simply tapping on it and select wipe data and then select format data. Now this will tell you to insert the verification code, which is just shown right here, so simply type it in. There we go. And from here, tap on format, which will begin the process. So this, at least right here, will only take a couple seconds to finish up. And from there, click on OK, which will reboot the device and continue the process in the background. Now it will take the device a little bit longer to finish up, and once it has, we will be greeted with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, factory reset is now finished, and you can set up your phone however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.